Today's video we are going to be unboxing my September latest in beauty box. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Ooh. Today's video we are going to be unboxing my September latest in beauty box. Here it is. If you are interested in purchasing this box, it is $14.95 per month, I think, and it's $3.95 postage. After 3 months, I do believe the postage then becomes free. So this beauty box, it has a slight difference to the rest of them. Every month you go on their website and you choose your products. You're allowed to choose 6 products to go in here. I'm just going to move everything up so we can have a sneaky peek. So there we go. There is a quick sneak peek for you. I will link this down below in the information box and the comment box if this is something you are interested in. I think when you click that link you get 20% off your first box, which is a nice little saving. But yeah, check it on out. But let's get digging in here properly to see exactly what I've chose. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over, enjoy my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I kind of hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Starting off with the first product that I have chosen this month, it is this. So this is by the brand 6 Ways and it is Bounce Daily Moisturizer. So in another beauty box that I unboxed this month, I got face wash with this brand. And I thought, I saw this on Latest in Beauty and I thought, oh, wouldn't that be nice to get this to go with the face wash? And I'm sure somebody commented on the video that I did that unboxing with that face wash. They said that they got the moisturiser and they looked it up on the website, it's like £15 or something. But yeah, in any way, there's 100 mils in here, so that's a decent size. And it just says a lightweight, easily absorbed formula that hydrates the skin without leaving a heavy residue. Formula suitable for sensitive skin. I can get very sensitive skin. Oh my god. My breakout seems to be calming down at the moment. I've probably just jinxed myself saying that, but you know, fingers crossed it just buggers off because I'm sick of having little friends uninvited. But yeah, this is what it looks like. That is going to last bloody ages. So in here it has shea butter, white tea and cucumber extracts. Ooh, lovely ingredients. It's sealed. I'm going to definitely leave that sealed. I'm going to be a good girl. But I can't wait to try that out. Something that's nice and light and fingers crossed not going to irritate my skin, but we'll soon find out when I come to trying it. The second product that I've chosen in the box is this. So this is by the brand the Naked range, and it's Tackle and Tame Hair Serum, anti-frizz with heat protection. It's a 30ml product that you get in here, and it's fragrance free. That I like fragrance, I must admit, but I saw this, I thought let's give it a go. It doesn't all have to be about fragrance. Oh, can't open it, but there you go, I've just ripped the box open. It's a nice looking product, very nice looking product. Looks like a nice light serum as well. Can you see that air bubble moving up and down? So it just says here, directions for use: dispense 1 to 2 pumps of serum in the palm, rub hands together and then smooth through evenly damp hair. Do not rinse out, style as desired. It's paraben free, it's vegan, fragrance free, cruelty free, lots of free. Say hello to fragrance free frizz control that is both lightweight and effective. Give your hair an extra boost of smoothness and protection it needs to combat frizz and heat the right way. This fragrance free formula means that you no longer have to compromise between loving your locks and loving yours and skin. Okay, shall we, let's just give this one a go. It's only hair serum. So there it is there. Oh yeah. It kind of feels like a really light oil. I've just massaged it in my hair there. You're supposed to put it in damp hair, but never mind. That feels really silky and soft. And yeah, definitely can't smell anything. Oh, I can't wait to actually try that out the way that it says to, with damp hair and style and stuff. I love trying hair products, so yeah, can't wait to get that in my hair. The third product I've chosen is this. So this is by the brand Sann. Yes, Sann Beauty, and this is Nourish and Tint Lip Serum. I saw this and I thought, oh, that looks so interesting. So it says a solid lip serum with precious oils and rich ingredients combined with a subtle colour to create a dewy, hydrated, fresh finish. Ooh. Yeah, that sounds cool. Let's just get in here. Does it have the name of the colour on there? Because I cannot remember. Kiss, Live, Love, Sunset. Is that the shade? Sunset? I think it is. But yeah, that's what it looks like inside. What that looks like. Ooh. Oh, that's one thing I'm a bit disappointed about. I thought it would have been retractable. It's not. Have you got a... Oh, it is retractable. Yeah, no, I'm happy with that. I was actually really upset about that, but that is the product there, and that's how much product you get. Wind that back in and we'll give it a little try. I'll pop it on my lips now. I've got nothing on my lips. Ooh. That glides so easily on. Can you see the gloss there? Wow. Wow. That colour is absolutely gorgeous. That feels fan-bloody-tastic on the lips. I'm really, really liking that. And yeah, it does. It feels like I put like an ordinary gloss on there. And... Oh, and look at the pigment. That's cute. Wow, I'm impressed by that. Really, really impressed. The fourth product I have chosen is this. So this is by the brand Origins, and it just says on here Dr. Andrew Weil for Origins, and it's a mega mushroom relief and resilience. It's a soothing treatment lotion. There's 100 mils that you get in here. Fantastic brand. So happy to have chosen this. So let's have a look. Shake, pour, pat, feel hydrated, look refreshed. It says deeply penetrating formula, rapidly restores skin resilience. It actively helps to hydrate, soothe and renew the look of skin while visibly refining the skin's surface. Yeah. Fine dry line plumping, alcohol free, skin pH friendly for all skin types including sensitive skin. That's what I like to hear. Yeah, enough of that. Let's just rip it open and have a look. So that is what that looks like. Should I try? Let's just try some on my hand. Oh, it's dripping everywhere. There it is there. So yeah, it just feels, yeah, an essence, a toner. Feels water-like, but you can actually feel it hydrating the skin. Can you see how hydrated that looks now? Looks nice, healthy. That feels gorgeous on the skin. How nice. Ooh. Can't wait to splash you all over. The fifth product I've chosen in the box is this. So this is by the brand Chemist London, and it's a rose quartz mineral eye serum. Skin lifting, marine and plant formula, vitamin C. I love an eye cream. I love an eye serum. Yes, you can just use face cream. You can get way overcharged for eye serums and eye creams, but I do like to use them nonetheless. It just makes me feel a little bit more bougie. So let's have a look. Your treatment. Skin tightener. Marine and plant ingredients provide a lifting effect. Rose quartz helps regenerate the look of skin and protects the skin. Vitamin C increases skin elasticity and suppleness. All sounds freaking awesome to me. Apply in the morning and evening onto your dry skin around the eye area. Oh, I love that packaging. That's cute. That is very, very cute. I am leaving that totally sealed up because I want to get the full benefits of that when I come to use it. But yeah, Skin Chemist London. The sixth and final product in the box I've chosen is this. So this is by the brand Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax. I've never tried any kind of brow wax before, and I thought, oh, let's just get it and give it a go. Why the hell not? Have I received anything by this brand before? I've never bought anything by the brand before because I just can't afford it, to be honest. Unless I've received something in a beauty box I've unboxed, I don't think I have. I don't think so. But yeah, let's have a little look inside. There we go. Beautiful packaging. Very, very nice. I like it. Oh, it's done it more nice and tight. So there it is there. It looks, when you look at it, it just looks like nothing's in it. But then, yeah, you can see there. Oh, that feels weird. You can't even see what I've put in my hand there, or maybe a bit. But yeah, that feels weird. Okay, yeah, I mean, it's obviously not meant to just be smeared on your hand. It's supposed to go on your brows. So I'll definitely try that on my brows and see how we go. Hi guys, so this is my September latest in beauty box. What do you think of my choices this month? Personally, I think I'm really happy with my box and what I've chosen, thank God. I'm kind of really happy to have chosen this. It's something different for me, a different product that I've never tried before. I've never tried brow wax. So yeah, that's going to be intriguing to try out. The eye serum, yeah, I can't wait to splash that on my face, under my eyes, just to see what it is like. The Origins product, that feels so hydrating on the skin and beautiful. Yeah, that's really, really nice. And the lip tinty serumy stuff, it's so hydrating. My lips feel so good and the pigment is spot on. Really like that. The hair serum, yeah, that seems well good. And yeah, a nice little plain moisturizer there. Yeah, definitely get a thumbs up from me. But what are your thoughts? What have you chosen in your box this month? Again, if you are interested in subscribing to Latest in Beauty, it's linked down below. There's 20% off when you click that off your first box. So yeah, definitely check it on out. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.